Malacanang hits back at Vice President Sara Duterte's criticism of President Bongbong Marcos' so-called photo op at a drug incineration facility in Tarlac by showing a picture of the Vice President's father doing the same thing. Duterte earlier said it was not the President's job to take photo opportunities with seized illegal drugs. She was referring to the destruction of over 9.48 billion pesos worth of illegal drugs at a waste management facility in Capas, Tarlac on Wednesday, June 25. In a briefing on Thursday, June 26, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro defends Marcos, saying it was the public's right to know about the president's initiatives against illegal drugs.
Ang Pangulo ay gumising ng maaga kahapon. Pumunta sa Tarlac, nagtrabaho, nagutos, hindi nagbakasyon, at binantayan ang pagkasira ng illegal na droga. Nais ng Pangulo na masawata ang illegal na droga sa ating bansa. At ang pagtatrabaho po ng Pangulo ay dapat maramdaman ng tao. Hindi po ito pang photo ops lang. Ito ay nagsisilbing babala sa mga kriminal. At nagsisilbi rin po itong inspirasyon sa taong bayan na nagnanais na masawata ang illegal na droga.
Castro then shows a printed news article bearing a photo of former President Rodrigo Duterte during a drug incineration activity in 2020.
So, baka nakalimutan po ito ni Vice Presidente. So, ang pagtatrabaho po naman ay hindi dapat itago, dapat nakikita ng taong bayan. Dapat nagre-report ang Pangulo sa taong bayan.
This was not the first time that Castro hit Vice President Duterte's criticism by recalling her father's issues during his term. At a briefing on Monday, June 23, Castro was asked to respond to Vice President Duterte's remarks questioning where and how the Marcos administration spent the 16 trillion peso national debt. Castro responded by reminding the Vice President of the trillions of pesos in debt incurred during her father's administration. She also clarified that the 16 trillion pesos being referred to is the total debt amount of the Philippine government, much of which had accumulated even before Marcos took office.